One, two, three. Hi, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who have seen one of our videos before, I'm AK, this is Jay, and this is Nani. And today we're going to be chatting and doing a little DIY. Jay, you want to tell us a little bit about it?
Okay. So today, guys, we're going to be discussing our DIY beauty hack hosted by our lovely Nani over there. We are going to be doing a sugar scrub. So she's going to discuss some of the ingredients that we're going to use. And we're all going to follow through on camera, and you guys are welcome to try it at home. And she's also going to talk about the benefits of them and why this is a really good hack to try. It's very easy. It's a quick video. And at the end, she'll also discuss how to make a coffee scrub and the benefits of the coffee and what it can do for your skin. So really excited. Just a nice quick video. And whenever she's ready, we'll get started.
All right, sounds good. So today we're going to be doing the sugar scrub. We're going to keep it simple, and as we do it, I'll talk about the differences between the sugar scrubs that we're making. But first, why a sugar scrub, right? Number one, it's simple. Benefits are it exfoliates your skin, it removes dead skin, it helps to brighten and just make your skin look fresh. So that's why people do sugar scrubs, right? And you can buy them from the store, but I always say if you have the ingredients at home, why not just do it at home?
Mm-hmm.
And some people like, why can't we do a salt scrub? And sugar is actually better for a scrub than salt because it's finer and it's less irritating to your skin. So the ingredients we'll be using, which we all have, and you might have in your cabinet, is of course sugar. You can use brown sugar, white sugar, doesn't really matter. It's up to you and depends on the recipe that you're using. So I'll be using white sugar.
Mm-hmm.
And you just need
I have brown and white, guys. I just I lost the black guy. I lost the brown sugar. I lost it.
It's okay. So you'll need 1 cup of sugar. And then next ingredient is coconut oil.
Mm-hmm.
And you just need a 1/2 cup of coconut oil.
Mm-hmm.
This is organic virgin coconut oil. You don't have to use this specific one. You can get it at your grocery store, Aldi's, Lidl, Safeway, just whatever.
I think Dollar Tree also has it. I'm not too sure. I think you can actually get it from Dollar Tree.
Yeah. If you go to the grocery store, it might be like $8. Who knows? And then the last thing is your essential oil. And the 3 of us will be using 3 different essential oils. And I'll talk about the benefits of each oil as we start our mix. So let's start off. Grab your mixing bowl that you'll pour everything in. And then you want to start off with your sugar, that you've measured out. That's 1 cup. So you guys can go ahead and pour
right now. So I'm gonna scoop while she's doing that.
Yeah, you can.
How much are we using again?
1 cup.
Oh,
Does it matter if it's in a liquid one or a dry measuring?
No, it doesn't matter. As long as it's 1 cup, you're good.
We get reimbursement for all this damn sugar we use?
Yes,
but you're gonna be using your stuff.
You're gonna be using it all over your body.
Now, you have that in your bowl, right? So let's talk about the coconut oil. So you don't always have to use coconut oil, but it's best to use coconut oil.
Hold on.
I'm just talking about it.
You can't talk about it when I'm scooping.
I'm talking about the benefits of the oil.
You can't talk when I'm scooping. They can't hear. They can't hear.
I can't even hear you scooping.
See? But they can hear.
I'm so confused.
Good. That means that we're actually doing it correctly. All right.
Okay. So the next step is your coconut oil, right? So let's go to our second ingredient, which is the coconut oil. You don't have to use coconut oil. You can use grapeseed or almond oil. I just prefer coconut oil, and it's actually cheaper than the other oils. So if you're worried about your pockets, coconut oil is the best way to go. Like I said, we talked about earlier, it can be $8 if you get it Dollar Tree or Dollar General. Good for you. But it's a 1/2 cup, and you want to make sure it's melted. Mm-hmm. Now it took me about 1 minute and 30 seconds to melt mine in my microwave. So I would recommend putting it in for a minute, checking it, stirring it, and then if it's not all the way melted, melt it further. So This is a half a cup of coconut oil. You want to pour that in. And I have a little spatula, you know, to help me. Okay. So once it's in, ooh, a little messy, but it's all good. You want to mix it all together.
You didn't say
And
we
you're
needed
almost
a
done.
mixer. You didn't say we needed a spatula.
Well, it's a spoon. I mean, what did
I'm
you
using a
think you were
spoon.
doing?
Can I use a screwdriver?
What
Yeah,
did you
I'm
think you were
using a
gonna do?
spoon.
Okay, you
It
guys
was up
go
to
ahead
me.
and
I was
mix.
just a little
I
stick.
will come back with a spoon because I don't have one of those. But now we're mixing.
So we're mixing it all up, right? So we're basically almost done. The last thing we're gonna add is our essential oil. Like I said, all three of us are using different essential oils. I, for instance, is using lemongrass essential oil.
Make this one.
God damn. Okay. AK is using eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil helps with stress, makes skin soft, and also keeps insects away, just as a sidebar. You know, if you guys go camping or outdoors, get your eucalyptus oil.
Good to know.
And then, right? And Jay's using lavender oil, which is one of my favorite oils. It smells amazing.
Yes.
It improves circulation, and it just provides like a peaceful, calming effect, right?
Which
So
yeah,
you
I need. I need all the calm.
Right. So you just want to do about 10 to 15 drops of the
That's
oil.
it?
Yeah, that's it.
What happens if you put more?
Yeah, good question.
I don't think anything happens, but you just need about that much. I've seen some recipes. This is just a particular recipe that we're following. Some recipes only call for like 7 drops. It just depends on the recipe you're using. This recipe is about 10 to 15 drops.
All right, I'm gonna have to guesstimate what that would be. So
You just want to mix that all in.
7, 8, 9, 10. I hope that was enough.
Your sugar, it should look like, it's not grainy like it was before, right?
No, it's not.
Sexy translucent.
Right? So we're basically finished. The only thing I'm gonna add is lemon zest. You don't have to add that part. This is just for like fancy look, you know. And plus I use lemongrass.
How mine's is looking, guys. It looks a little rough, but
No, just
maybe
mix,
it's supposed to
make sure
look
you
like
mix
that.
all the oil in. So I'll
I'm
show you
using
what
mine
mine
instead
looks
of a
like.
fork, so that's why I'm like.
Mine looks like, actually, let me just show you.
Okay.
Yeah, and mine looks like this.
Okay, so we all have the same consistency.
Yeah. So it's not liquidy, like the sugar sucks up all the oil and you're good.
Yeah.
And it should smell amazing now since you put the essential oil in.
Mm-hmm.
Like mine smells all lemony and fresh. Now, the sugar scrub is for your body, right? You can use it for your lips. I wouldn't recommend using it for your face just because of people that have sensitive skin. So I wouldn't recommend using it for that. But after you shower, like while you're in the shower, you can use the sugar scrub just to exfoliate and your skin will be like amazing. And then all you have to do is moisturize, right? So that's basically
What do you recommend? What do you recommend is like the best, to maintain, like to keep it well? You know, like, do you put it in a container? Do you put it in the fridge? Do you put it on the side? Or?
So that's the next thing. Like they say you can actually drop a couple drops of vitamin E in the scrub and that helps like keep it, maintain it longer. But I typically like put mine in a mason jar. It's tightly sealed and then it just keeps for however long you use it. Mine doesn't actually last that long because I use it probably once every week.
Okay.
Just to exfoliate my body. But I would definitely recommend putting it in a tight sealed container. And that's what I have my mason jar for. Now, that's all for this DIY, but I know Jay had mentioned doing the coffee scrub.
Yeah.
Now, we're not going to do that, but I'm just going to talk about it really quick. So coffee scrubs are good for tightening your skin and anti-aging. And I always say if you drink coffee, just save your grounds. Make sure they're dried out. A quick way to dry it out is just put it in the oven for a little bit. But if you have time, just spread it out on like a baking sheet let it dry out. And then you just keep it in a mason jar and you mix it with a half a cup of coconut oil or your grapeseed oil, your almond oil, whatever you're using, and brown sugar. And boom, you're good to go.
Nice. Okay.
And my coffee grounds actually have orange zest in it because I was just being fancy and I like the smell of it.
All right. So we all have we're all done, right?
Yeah, we're all done.
That was
And you know,
really quick.
this actually makes a great gift too. Like if you guys are like looking for a quick gift for your neighbor, a friend, birthday, whatever. Yeah.
I'm all about that budget life, so thank you.
That's the
So,
consistency.
and this is only to be used on washed skin, correct?
Yeah, I would recommend just using it.
I know what I did in the last video.
Yes,
Last video I used it on. I was dirty, baby. So
Okay.
pretty cool though. It feels really good.
So
Yeah, right?
I did something that I don't know if I should do.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. What's up? What'd you do?
I had lime, so I just used the lime zest instead of lemon.
Ooh,
Yeah.
what's wrong with that? Sounds good.
I don't know if I was allowed to do that or not, but I did it.
Allowed? Come on, we're just having fun. We're experimenting.
Oh no, I just mean like allowed in terms of like what the if it might change it from the some ingredients. Yeah, because some ingredients you have to specifically follow. So if you substitute the wrong thing, it might not
do something different. It might counteract.
Yeah, but I mean,
I would think because you can use orange zest too, because it's just that citrus family. As long as you're in that citrus family, you're good.
So grapefruit would be sexy.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense.
And there are tons of like recipes for DIY sugar scrub. So don't feel like you have to be limited to this one. If you just want to start and see how it is, this is a great beginner one.
Okay. Well, ladies,
thank you for that.
Yes, I had a great time. It was only a few minutes. So guys, that shows how easy it is. And you could use this for whenever you want. This is kind of cool.
Thanks for joining us.
So if you have any questions about this short hack, if you have any suggestions about another one that we should do, let us know.
Or if you have a favorite sugar scrub recipe, let us know.
Yeah, we'd like to try it. We're always looking for different things to try. So until then, we're going to think of some other quick things for you guys to do, and we will talk to you later. Have a great and wonderful day. And if you're watching at night, have a wonderful night. Ladies, if we could say peace out.
Hey, bye, Jay.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Okay. Mind you, the sun is up and it's like daytime, and we're like, just bye.
Don't forget to follow us, Three Thick and Thin.
Yes, subscribe.
On Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. We're on it all.
Yeah,
so then we'll catch you. Go ahead. I'm sorry, Nani. What'd you say?
I said join the Beach Crew.
Oh, the Beach Crew.
Intro. Hey.
Okay, what do I say?
All right, hold on.
Okay, what do I say?
All right, hold on. Hold on.
Hi, welcome.
Stop it.
To our channel.
We're not even ready yet.
Wait, are we gonna do the same person every time? That's
and then the other one don't get ready.
Welcome to our channel. You have to listen.
She's not even here to say it.
Okay, whatever. I like bloopers. We are just we should just be called bloopers because everything would just be bloop bloop. She recording us so she can see us talk about her later.
Yeah.
Jay, while you were gone,
I was wondering
where you.
I would say hi, welcome back.
Just welcome. But can I just Beesh, welcome. Welcome, Beeshes. Beesh. To our channel.
No.
Beaches. Welcome all you beaches.
Welcome.
Gang.
To the Beach Crew.
All right, doors closed. My lighting.
All right. Can we just kind of go with the flow a little bit and just like do a couple runs? Like, does it have to be so like this portion, this portion, this portion, or?
What do you
A
mean?
couple runs of what? Like once I start mixing shit, I can't unmix it.
The intro part, asshole. Like, you're not gonna start mixing at the intro part.
She said, what did you say, Sonavicus? Please say that again. I need that as a blooper. That was so good. She's like, asshole, I can't unmix it.
I didn't say the asshole part. She did.
Oh, she said asshole.
All right.
Okay.